Hello everyone, today we are going to solve the previous year question of the blood relation. Kung mag-ila deb discuss hiya ka ni ka concept sa page sa check kanang mapin so to ba ke kabangi keren manta kasngi ha kini ka video tagi question ru nga deb send ha group lada pidan ha group lada pimpadan ha group ru ngan bu hapo description ma ya kini ka question download itu question tho itu question kanang mapin so to hoy kide ki question ki banga shutho hi de ki dak la jong yo le se pim so to bha la ne kim clear bha ki dak ke ka banga de ban le na du nang ni shkman ngan persang no ban ai bi de ka to ka kabangyo na kod ben mo bangan chu shan be di dur le ngan convert pdf ne kat baleru tang bahagur kom badei beta kat kum gijing tho na kod le ne na ki previous year question bat kum ta ter mo tang ko am slam ka por jong ping nya je ka fast ye ka fast question ka bong kum no hang niไปrangkat mo nga puli question tom lele ngan bu hi question kan de tok hang ni te ke ka question ka ong hang ni ka ong kum no hang ni a b c d e and f mdere h tang hadu a b c d e f are family members. A B C D E F are family members related to each other. A is the father of D. Habaki ong a the father jong D ta 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 basok a is the father of D. Kani tenginang a is the father of D. The dem nata who is the brother of F. The ni ini kintian banga ong pi who, whose, whom, but which kamut kathoye no kathoye utu u just after person, just after person. Kong gumno ni A is the father of D. A is the father of D. Who is the brother of F? Who is the brother of what? Of F. Tambo yu F pat ngim patip de female ne de male ne ngim patip bi kata. Lengnya chkamat kong kumno E is the husband of H. La dengi pet yu E but yu H hang ni kim don ling A. E is the husband of H. Ta git ngal chto asad E is the husband of H. La da ong E is the husband automatically H de A wife kata pe diman so to the demata kong kumno F is the sister of E. P nang ningi la yo clue F is the sister of E. Inyang long kani badan ni dengi penjaru la long kani dengi penjaru la long nama ngi la yo clue ta gen ong kumno ni B is the son of D. B is the son of D. This is D. So B is the son of D. Kamau lo de pimpedia ka first video pinam so to igini namar nga ong male ni represent do ni usain kumni female ni represent kumni ki ba married couples lani ki bayetho lani ki shilok pat ni represent do cross sign ma tagin gi ongum no ni B is the son of D an the mi ni kentin an pat an lane or lane but convention you know convention you first person kumhang ni ongum no ni B is the son of D to B de uni we son of D. B is the son of D but haju ko por B ru a an haju ko por B ru a an husband of C ubi ru haju ko por de husband of C tagen do ni de husband ko ni de wife tagen tangata jingkli gong how is E related to B? How is E related to B? Kamot new E but B hang ni dan jinga de you B but E jinga de you ke jingkli gong kumno how is E related to B? How is E related to B? Kamot udei habai de badu B lene B udei ban ong kumno ya ui lene udei te hang ni ka por la dingi pet B la dingi pet hang ni D F but E de kumno D F but E de shi para pet nga join kumni kamot ki de shi para ni sia ki de shi para ta ken udi udon kun hang ni kamot u ni u khun jong u di u hab ong kum no i u hab ong da u uncle badi chen rang u hab ong uncle u ni u bi hab ong uncle ya u i le ni u i u de u uncle ka correct answer ka de uncle ta ken ngin ya next kawai nga kwa banin tu ipi habakikili how is e related to be kamot ni haptip yu u de way how is e related to be kamot ni haptip yu u de way we move to the next question the next question ko angum no question number 2 a b c e and f a b c e and f a b c and f are the 6 family members. B is the son of C. B is what? B is the son. B is the son of C. B do A. B is the son of C. B is the son of C. Đáp năng tao ông cũng nói nè. But C is not the mother of B. But C is not the mother. Vậy hang ta phải là số thủ em. Habo ông cũng nói nè. Ông cũng nói nè. B is the son of C. But C is not the mother. Haka e kata kurkom daga wana jing perkat jong pi habong B de son jong C tang ba C is not the mother kamut ngi su shai C is the father is to shai C is the father C is the father B is the son of C but C is not the mother we will clearly knows that C is the father demata yaj khamat ongumna. But C is not the mother of B. Demnata E is the brother of C. E is the brother. E is the brother of C. Tam lele dengiaj khamat D is the daughter of A. D is the daughter of A. Tambo A ngimpat yo. The demnata ongkum no hangni F is the brother of A. F is the brother of A. F is the brother of A. Tambo yu A ngimpat the demnata A and C are married couple. A and C are married couple. La dau C de shenrang kamot A de kan thei A de A kan thei ta kan ge A don para ba de F ta kan ki don khun ba de D daughter pet kat kum gani ka ba ngi yo hang ni pi ne ngi ka lek data sha hang ni man ta da la yo ling we bat si ni ya connect yaki kum to F is the brother of A and C are married couple. Who is brother-in-law of C? Who is brother-in-law of C? Ta kan la mention who is Kadi ka question kong who is the brother-in-law of C? Mano badai brother-in-law jong C? Mano badai brother-in-law jong C? Dan option mang ni. Na kam to option. Who is the brother-in-law of C? Right. Who is the brother-in-law of C? U C badu E de spara tom lele. Ta ken A bad F ru de spara. A de kan thei F de shenrang ta ken C bad U ki shong kha no ta kamod U F U de U brother in law jong U C. F is the brother in law of C. F is the brother in law of C. Ta ken clear ni am clear hai min ya chush khamat ta ken min ya chush khamat ki jingli ki ong gum no kani ka de ka balong puzzle gum ni ka bangi ham ban ken ta dan ko ki jingli ru ki ba ki de ki indicating form mo ki ba indicate pe ne kani ka banga tho pointing hang ni ka question number 1 ka ong gum no pointing to a lady a man said the son of her brother kani ka jingli ka ba ham pan confuse a teng teng ki jingli ba shi marks tang ba pan confuse ba ngi ong gum no pointing to a lady a man said pointing to a lady, a man said. Example la dangai tu ipi haka rukom kaba pin sutu ha long ba kyong pointing to a lady, a man said. I am a man and there is a lady over there. I point to a lady. Mo haka rukom pointing to a lady, a man said, the son of her only brother. Ini ikentin her. Her ka mention ka mention ya. Her ka mention ya lady. Demnata the son of her only brother is the brother of my wife. My part ka mention ka de mano de tu man. Pide ban so tu hai ni. Her ka mot ka de tu lady. Her ka mot de tu lady. My part ka mot ka de tu man. Ta ken la ongum no ni pointing to a lady, a man said. A man said. Pointing to a lady. Ngalaban to lady jwa. Namar kam sotu ha. Pointing to a lady. Pointing to a lady. This is the lady, and pointing to a lady, a man said, the son of her only brother. The son of her only brother. The son. The son of her. Her only brother. This is her only brother. Canadian can take her only brother is this, and the son of her only brother is the brother. The son of her only brother is the brother of my wife. My. Baiknya, kawan mungta. Kalong kumni gurkom, kong the son of her only brother is the wife of is the brother of my wife. Haga jingli kalong kumta hagata gurkom mo. Hamani tu ipi jingli kalong kumna. But the son pointing to a lady. The man said, who is the man? The man said, the son of her only brother is the brother of my wife. Pi kini kidej para taken uni upara senrang rekau dan kun senrang ban ikan tei padej para kidej my wife. Kidej my wife. My wife kamut uni de man. Ni lady pat kamut kadei she. Taken kadei kani ka answer ka jingli gongum no how is the lady related to the man? How is the lady related to that man? Pi kani ka kan thei ka don jingya de ayu bat uni u brio. Ta gen kila banong ba uni hi songlok bat ni kamut ni de kpai ni kamut ka option ka don ayu te ka don that father of sister-in-law, daughter-in-law, son-in-law. Option ka de sister of father-in-law. Pe uni brio man u de father-in-law namar kini ni di para kamut kun jong ni yakani de kun kamut ba uni de father-in-law uni kemudian kani pat kadeka sister of father-in-law kan sar kadai sister of father-in-law kamut ka para kan thei jong thau jong para kan thei jong thau para kan thei jong thau ta ken ya chekani ka basan ngamle lut baro kani namar ba kan sebampon mau balik henry tang gitu gibala don rekat bat nga gibala ban yo lut ikini baro ya pirum lele kani rulong pin kanir la biange la de pi praktisi la de pi minot hi pila banayu pila hi banle henry ya kani ngan le lut pat kini question ki pair tang gitu kiba siêu mà lòng hấp lệ ba này chúng ta cho kín mà kila siêu kerpang ta gen cái question number 5 con gumno hang ni jong cái pointing to a photograph lata says pointing to a photograph lata says pointing to a photograph kani ka kan thei ka point photograph con gumno ka point ni ka tegadur con he is the son this lata says Lata says, kanika Lata says, come no, he is the son of the only son of my grandfather. He is the son of the only son. He is the son. He is the son of the only son. He is the son of the only son of my grandfather. Shumut grandfather hang ni tagabriu gade lata gade hang ni. Belai hatip kumni nama tangkin tien ruong. He is the son of the only son. He is the son of the only son of my grandfather. Tada ong grandfather kemut kumno. Grandfather hang ni de bandon father lani modar yang banyo ong ba bau new shenrang hang ni lani kenthe hang ni bikin la ban ong kumno grandfather lani grandmother. So tu, kemudian manga swaban ong grandfather, grandmother kemudian ba ngadi bandan long i mei jong a leni i pa jong a bat kum ta ter leni i pa jong i mei jong a kita ngong grandfather. Teng ni ong kumno pointing to a photograph lata say he is the son of the only son of my grandfather. How is the name photograph related to lata? Kani ka photograph hang ni namar u ong kani ka brio ong photograph bat kani kidan jing ya dei ayu hang ni kamot kan sar kan dei. How is the photograph related to lata? Kamot udei uni udei u broda dei broda kamot ni udei u broda tagen yin pe shushu jing kli ba kham e shushu nama na du mane ngi le besok tang ba ki ba ya e hi kani ka dei ka pointing ta kan ngin le pat se kani ka ba ki ong ka indicating form pe na ka jing kali hang ne indicating form ong ko na question number 1 ka ong p and q means katol la thong to p multiply q ka dei ka na mother. P is mother of q. Ta kan la de ki ai pat p B pat kadega no P minus Q pan kande gay kande father. Komot P is father of Q. Ladiki tho pat P plus Q pan D pat kadega no P divide Q. Kyong no P is the brother of Q. Ladiki I P divide Q pan P is the sister of Q. P gani ka condition ta ka jingli ka ong which of the following mean C is maternal grandfather of B. C is ka jingli ka ong C is maternal grandfather of what? Of B. So now kajingli gade gani kadon ka option ka bong C into D into B, C into D into B. Don ka option bar pat C plus D minus B. Option number 3 pat C minus D minus B. Option number 4 pat kade kana C minus D into B. Kani kade ka option kajingli ka ong kumno which of the following means the C is the maternal grandfather of B. Katkum kani condition baki ai hang ni katkum ka option ka biya ki ai hang te katkum ka option ka baki ai hang te kanu kata ka badai ka baki ong C is the maternal grandfather of B. Tela dengi tho hakawai ka rukom hoj ka don ka shortcut ru hang ni ngan sei thu ip hin rei manta ngani thu be ip concept kumno ban solve khnang ba phin so thu han rei ka don ka trek su ka batang shu pe tok la so thu an rei ya kata to bu shwa sharut ka bodon ka me ka dei ba phin so thu ke ka ba ni dei ban Sutho. Taken hang ni ong kumno hang ni. C is maternal grandfather. Ngalai tu ipi maternal grandfather leni maternal grandmother leni paternal grandmother leni paternal grandfather. Kamut kumno C is maternal grandfather of B. C ude u C ude u maternal grandfather of B. Kamut kalong kumni. Ka diagram kalong kumni usi habong grandfather tagadaw ito do sign shenrang hangni from maternal patagadaw kamut hangni kadeka kami. Daong paternal kamut hangni di u kapa tang bahangni ong maternal tagadaw hangni ngibu sign do ni ngibu sign do hangni ngibu sign do u daka circle namar kadeka maternal grandfather. Kani ka diagram kalong kumni taken kano pat ka option ka ba satisfy ya kani ka diagram. P la dingi page C multiply D into B. Ni page ka option 1 C multiply D into B. Modong C multiply D multiply B. Multiply kamut kumna multiply kamut madar. Tom lele kamut madar. Kamut C is the mother of D. Takin D into B ru multiply kamut madar. Namar hang nila thobi multiply kamut kumno mother minus kamut kumno father plus kamut kumno brother divide kamut kumno sister. Takin hang ni mother tamla ban long namar hang ni de ban long father kat kum ka jingdro kat kum ka jing condition hang ni de ban long father hang ni pat de ban long mother. Takin ledingi page ka diagram direct kumbang ong pictrix ledingi page hang ni de father hang ni mother ni page father de u minus sign mother pa de multiply kemudian ni page hang ni badan minus but multiply kadai kata ka correct answer hang ni p multiply mla long plus minus mla long minus mla long hang ni pan minus plus page father ngong p de minus mother de multiply kemudian ka answer kadai ka option number 4 C minus D into B Hoy kini kadai ka basic ka basog ba hanrela de kiai de kabae kamud bunsin ngikul mar ha penya kiai PC is the maternal grandfather of B. Draw siya to condition ka wan kumni uni de pai ni de kami ni de kun takin na kami hok pa de ban long kumno father na unu kun siya kami ka de ban long kumno de ban long mother takin ni pe ka sign father ka de no ka sign father de minus ka sign mother pa de u de multiplication kamut ka pasdang do minus but multiplication kata ka de ka correct answer kata ka de ka correct answer thangbun ki jingkili ki bangadan hangni tangbai ka bonta shwa ngale tang kani learning ale ni ka aru indicating form ngamle artli sindan artli ma ban bet sindan kani ka kani question number 2 jong ka indicating form ka condition ka de kamju p into q komod p is the mother p minus q komod p is the father but kumta ter takan ka condition kong if A is the paternal grandmother of D, if A is the paternal grandmother of D. Katakan equation A is the paternal grandmother of D. Ka condition ki ay kumno hangni L plus A into G divided by C question marks R plus D divided by N. Kamut hang ni question mark ngide banbu UA. Ngide banbu UA ka option hang ni kadai kai ngide banbu UA u multiply ne u divide ne u minus ne u plus ne 1 2 3 4 dan south liki option ngin bu the way hang ni ha u question marks hang ni p gong A is paternal grandmother of D kamut kumno UA de paternal A de grandmother hani. A is the paternal grandmother of D. Ka diagram kade banlong kumni. Pao ne am hoy pao. A is the paternal grandmother of D. Baong paternal kamot na liang hu kpa. Paternal liang kpa grandmother ang to tom lele. Komod ni deu A kun cenrang jong kam ni kun cenrang pat udan kun ya u D hagata gen ke jingmod ta gen ngin pet ke dei ka E ka bangi de ban ai hang ni hajing kali ta kali na A nang ni na du na A hadu D kamod bangi pet na du A hadu D yo N bad you new L na pet chu pet betang you A pet betang you A bad D na mar hajing kali ru kong A paternal grandmother of D ta ken la dingi kenya gani nang kong A into G the u into the A is mother kamot pet ne ni ha question ni bong P into Q means P is the mother of Q kamot hai ni hang ni ru ka ju A into G means Semut ni di P ni di Q kan ni di P ni di Q kan kamot ka ju hi la long no A is the mother of G ta gen yaj kman pan G divide C G divide C la dengi pe divide hang ni P divide Q mean P is the sister of Q kamot hang ni G is the sister of C ta gen dengi yaj kman pan hang ni ngim patip namar ka jingkali C gin bu do minus ne do plus ne do divide ne yaj kman R plus D kamot kumno R plus D kamot kumno R plus D kamot kumno plus kumot ayu is the brother kamot R play camera R is the brother of D te kumba pi hang ni don kano katkum kani ka condition hang ni don kano 3 generation first second third hanre hang ni dengi solve ni kani pan hang ni ngio kano first generation second generation ta gen kamut kani ngila suthu shai badan hapo kani namar kadan ha third generation namar hang ni condition ngio 3 generation kamut hang ni ru deban yo 3 generation ta gen ngila yo hang ni kiong paternal kamut ba deban long uni ushan rang tegani de kan thai kamut ni suthu shai uni de shin rang kamut yekini arngut de khon jong u C ken de khon jong u C ta kamut C R ban long khon deu e bedan long khon deu e kamut de father the father sign de ke father sign de minus pe thang ni P minus Q mean P is the father of Q kamut ban u C de ban long kpa nam ta jong R kamut hang ni de ban dan hajka uni question mark de ban dan minus kamut ka answer ka de question number 3 minus C kalabia tangum ni hi hoi kini ki de tang ki simple hanre dang bun shu ki jingkili ki kham long ka line jong ka blood relation ki ba ngidi man te tangi gitu ki ba siu long ani thui phing in le khnang blood por na panta jong ki to te phiru ki ba ma ki ba shpej igini ki video ba yo free gumni phi la ban practice dal de ki question ngalai phi kumba ngong la da phim song thu igini ki jet jingkali ki ba nga shtho hi ila ban chim de ki to ki question screenshot to ngan sa edit pa de ki ngan sa send pa de phi de ka PDF ma khnang ba phin so tanan chu te tangkat ta hi hoi sakawai bale ba nga ong phi ham ban yarap ban siu nga namar ba kawai nga kwa man long shumun lada khamdan phisa ka to ka ning in thid de ka digital board de ka digital board kamut swak la biang lut boro na dong chadong.com jing kuslai chu hangni hapan ple haba yu long ka bol kam de ka digital board pat kamut ma phi ru kinyo jim toy tangkat ta hi khuble chibon ngin sikindu pat hakawai ka class